How do you enrich CRM records with Claude Code? You enrich CRM records with Claude Code in 3 steps. First, identify which fields are missing or stale in HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, or Attio. Second, call the Explorium API to fill those specific gaps with verified company and contact data. Third, write the enriched values back to the same records and flag any low-confidence fields for human review before they overwrite existing data. Why does the CSV export and upload cycle break down? Most enrichment workflows still run on a CSV cycle. Export contacts, upload them to a separate tool, wait for the return file, then reimport it into your CRM. Every hop adds delay, and every reimport risks overwriting a note a rep entered 5 minutes ago. Claude Code skips that cycle. It reads your CRM records directly, calls an enrichment API in the same session, and writes results back without touching a spreadsheet. How do you find which CRM fields are actually missing? Query your CRM API for the fields you care about: company size, industry, revenue range, job title, verified email. Ask Claude Code to pull every record where those fields are empty or older than 90 days. That query becomes your enrichment list, not the whole database, which keeps the job fast and the API calls targeted. How does the Explorium API fill those gaps? This is where the Explorium API does the work. Install it with pip install Explorium, or npm install at explorium/sdk, and call it from your Claude Code terminal session. No separate waterfall vendor, no CSV round trip. Explorium covers over 150 million company profiles and 800 million people profiles across 50+ data sources, so one call fills firmographic and contact fields in a single pass. Send up to 1,000 entities per call at 100 queries per second, and you enrich a full segment, not a 20-record sample. How do you write data back without overwriting good records? Before you write anything back, check the match confidence Explorium returns with every result. Explorium reports company match accuracy above 97.8%, a real field you can act on, not a guess. Set a threshold, write back automatically above it, and flag anything below it for human review instead of pushing it straight into the record. That one step is what most enrichment tutorials skip, and it is the difference between a clean database and a database full of confident wrong answers. How do you turn this into a recurring job? Once the workflow works, schedule it. Have Claude Code repeat the identify, enrich, write back sequence weekly against any record that goes stale again. Explorium uses one unified credit pool, so you track no separate limits as the job scales to your whole CRM. Where do you start? Start with a free Explorium account. You get access in minutes, not after a sales call, and the free tier includes enough credits to run this exact workflow against a real segment of your CRM today. Connect the Explorium API to Claude Code, point it at your stalest records, and write back your first enriched batch with a confidence threshold in place.